Hello friends, today we are going to review one more stock. They are basically electrode and a graphite manufacturer company. This company stock was trading around 1000 rupees couple of years back. Then all of a sudden it was started going down and reached to 300 rupees before pandemic. This company has a 50 years of experience in graphite and electrode business. Why it was fell down, why the stock is rising now, we will analyze all the reasons behind the movement of this stock. Friends, I was talking about Graphite India stock. So graphite electrodes which are mainly used in automobile and steel industries. Now there is a huge buzz in India about electric vehicles. Graphite is one of the key player in the battery manufacturing process. So we need to give attention to this stock before it is not reachable to the retail investors. Graphite India is mainly engaged in manufacturing graphite electrodes, graphite equipments, steel, glass reinforced plastic, pipes, tanks, and generation of idle power. The company operates through three segments: graphite and carbon, steel, and others. So let's review what's happening in this stock from past 2 years. The very next question we have in our mind is, if Graphite India stock is such an important stock, why it was going down since 2018? During my research, I was found four reasons behind the negative movement of the stock. The very first reason is Graphite India company was forced to halt its production at its Bangalore plant in February 2018. As a result of this court ruling, National Green Tribunal, following concerns over the pollution, the company's board of directors passed a resolution for the permanent closure of the plant in the Bangalore of first week of April 2019, due to which the stock was almost fell down 30%. Secondly, global slowdown due to US-China trade war has led to a fall in steel demand, which has affected demand for electrodes. China is the biggest producer of graphite electrodes, which are used in automobile and steel industries. Thirdly, in September 2018, India was removed anti-dumping duties on graphite electrodes imported from China, which led to an increase in import. Steel prices also continues to remain under pressure, and combination of these factors have resulted in significant correction of electrode prices. The fourth and the last reason is pandemic or a COVID-19 lockdowns in India is also one of the major factor for most of the stocks in Indian market to underperform. So far we saw reasons behind the negative movement of the stock. Let us see the reason behind the positive movement in the year 2021. Why Graphite India stock is rising? I have gathered few points to answer this question. The very first positive point is future for electric vehicles in India is emerging. We saw recently Tesla is announced entering of Indian electric car market. This is one of the surprise or unpredictable boost for the Graphite India, because graphite will play major role in supplying raw materials for battery manufacturers. Also, there are other automobile companies based out of India are entering into electric vehicle manufacturing business. Mainly Tata Motors, Mahindra, Hyundai, Kia, Ashok Leyland and Hero. Due to this, demand for graphite will increase and prices of graphite is moving up. Secondly, graphite electrode prices are recovered in China to pre-COVID prices. So prices of graphite electrodes used in electric arc furnace for making steel have risen to their highest value in a year. So this is also one of the boost for Graphite India stock movement. The one more reason why the Graphite India is moving is the land which is located in the Brookfield or a Whitefield of the Bangalore has a huge value of around 800 crores. This land was recovered due to the closure of the Graphite India plant in Bangalore. Many real estate companies including Tata Realty in the race for purchase of this land to build a IT park. One more reason While considering buying Graphite India stock, one should consider consistency in the dividend payment. When you see last 3 years of dividend payments from the Graphite India, in the year 2018 it was paid around 37 rupees, and in the 2019 it was around 35 rupees. But in the 2020 it was just 2 rupees, that is due to pandemic. Let us review yearly performance. From past 1 year, we can clearly see its highest value is 509 rupees and the lowest is 103 rupees. Today it is trading at 52-week high value. Graphite returns 112% in the span of 1 year. From the past 3 months, the graphite stock is moving gradually upwards. This is one of the positive indication of the movement of the stock. When we go through price and volume charts, we can clearly see prices and the trading volume in the stock from past 5 months increasing predominantly. So it is not any game from big shot or promoters. Let's see what technical indicators say about Graphite India stock. The very first indication is stock is closing above 52 weeks high, which will indicate stock is bullish. In the next indicator, the trade and the delivery is higher in this stock, so people are trying to accumulate more in their portfolio. Moving averages are close crossing, which are bullish indication. Closing candlesticks are forming above previous highs. From all these indications, one should conclude stock is bullish and moving upwards. Let us plot a technical graph for Graphite India to figure out entry, exit and stop loss points. We can see stock is very positive since November 2020. As for me, I don't see any resistance for this stock till 6,600. Once it crosses 650, it will reach 1000 very easily with a stop loss of 450. If you are already holding this stock in your portfolio, hold tightly. If you are still not entered, try to accumulate now. Definitely, it will become a multi-bagger soon. What is people's opinions or emotions about Graphite India stock? There are 82% of the people considering buying this stock for better wealth management. What will be the target stop loss for this stock? The stock is currently in a correction phase, so one should consider entering into this stock around 470 to 480 rupees for the target of 600 and 1000 rupees with a stop loss of 450. Do you have this stock in your portfolio? If not, try to add it. By the way, I have it in my portfolio already. I was managed to enter this stock around 248 rupees in November 2020. You can see my profit so far is close to 100%. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe for more updates of my videos.